Greetings, dear students and parents. My name is Suresh Shetty. I head the academics at Maestro Tutorial Science, and this video I have recorded to give you an idea about the functioning of batches for 12th standard. We already have finished with your syllabus of class 11th, both theory as well as the entrance part, and now it's time we start with the lectures of class 12th. And this video message will give you an idea about how exactly is the functioning lined up throughout the year. Let me start with the planning of the academic year 17-18. We have divided the working into 5 phases. आपका पूरा साल जो है हमने इसको 5 हिस्सों में ब्रेक किया हुआ है. If I talk about the first phase is the most important phase, that is the summer vacation phase, which starts from 13th of April 2017. Right? Now, why do I call summer vacation phase the most important phase? That is because in this phase, you'll be having daily 6 hours of lecture. It's not 3 hours, but 6 hours of lecture per day. And you really can't afford to miss a single day. Because one day you miss out, you're missing out 6 hours of lectures. And that's quite a huge amount of portion. क्योंकि पूरे summer vacation phase में almost 35 to 45% portion gets covered in the summer vacation phase. You really can't afford to miss a single day. Okay? And there have been no holidays during the summer vacation phase other than those alternate Sundays that you get. Otherwise, there is no holiday during the summer vacation phase. It's a summer vacation, but there is no vacation as such. In the summer vacation, you're going to cover maximum amount of portion and maximum amount of studies are going to happen here. The summer vacation phase comes to an end on 10th of June. 10 June 2017, the summer vacation phase comes to an end. Approximately, as I mentioned earlier, 35 to 40% portion of physics, chemistry, maths and bio gets covered, both boards as well as the entrance part. That's a huge amount of portion. And that was the syllabus completion, talking about the testing, the examinations during summer vacation phase. Let's see how the exams are going to get conducted. There will be objective test, MCQ test on the lines of JEE Main and NET on every alternate Sunday. And these exams are starting from 30th of April 2017. I repeat, this point is a very important one. Summer vacation में जो हम exams conduct करेंगे, if I talk about the entrance exams, the objective test, every alternate Sunday you have this test. And for this test, you have a group of physics, chemistry, maths or physics, chemistry, bio. So every objective exam will have chapters of physics, chemistry, maths if you're giving the engineering entrance examination, or physics, chemistry and bio if you're giving the medical examination. Okay? And the portion will be as per the syllabus taught in those 2 weeks of time. So every alternate Sunday you're coming prepared with physics, chemistry, maths or physics, chemistry and bio. तो जो आदत लगती है हमें engineering entrance exam या medical entrance exam face करने की, वो शुरू से लग जाती है, because you come prepared with all 3 subjects. That's the examination pattern, as you can see. So when the first exam starts on 30th of April, that's a physics, chemistry, maths or a physics, chemistry, bio as per JEE Main or as per NET. Because जो engineering aspirant बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए Maharashtra CET for your batch may or may not be conducted. There is no clarity as on date. And even if MHCET gets conducted, it will be on the lines of JEE Main. यानी कि 11th and 12th का पोर्शन कंबाइंड होगा और JEE Main लेवल होगा. इसलिए आपको शुरू से ही JEE Main की तैयारी करवाई जा रही है. इनफैक्ट हमने 11th में भी जितने भी एग्जाम्स आपको कंडक्ट करे हैं, वी आर कंडक्टेड एज पर द JEE Main और द NET पैटर्न. That is the pattern of the test. 30th April is the first test. Alternate Sunday, so 14th May is the next test. Alternate Sunday, the next test is 28th of May. So you get ample amount of time to prepare very well for these examination. आपको काफ़ी अच्छा समय मिल जाता है इन एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए और अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू फुल लेंथ टेस्ट. मैंने कहा कि समर वेकेशन में हम तकरीबन 35 to 40% पोर्शन कवर करते हैं. दैट्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ पोर्शन. Almost 6 to 7 chapters per subject get covered. तो हम ये जो पोर्शन है 40% पोर्शन है फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स और बायो का, इसको वापस टेस्ट करेंगे समर वेकेशन के एंड में इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फुल लेंथ टेस्ट। ये पूरा सिलेबस एक साथ कवर किया जाएगा ना। फुल लेंथ टेस्ट दो किस्म के होंगे, एक है सब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट। आपने देखा इसके पहले का जो टेस्टिंग मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, एवरी ऑल्टरनेट संडे दे हैड एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, उसमें बोर्ड पैटर्न की टेस्ट नहीं हुई, वो अब होगी यहाँ पर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फुल लेंथ टेस्ट। तो यू हैव सब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट इन द बोर्ड पैटर्न 70 marks and the syllabus for this test is all the chapters taught in the summer vacation phase. Along with subjective exam, there will be objective exam also on the lines of JEE Main and NET. Again, here the portion is all the chapters taught in the summer vacation phase. And talking about the schedule of this full length test, you can see on the screen, it starts from 9th of July. So 9th July you have the physics full length test, जहाँ पे वो सारा पोर्शन फिजिक्स का जो हमने समर वेकेशन में पढ़ाया है, वो 6 या 7 चैप्टर, ये सारे यहाँ पे कवर हो जाएंगे एंड दैट इज 70 marks पेपर। On 11th of July there is a chemistry full length test. On 13th of July there is a maths paper. On 15th of July is a biology paper. And on 16th of July you have the physics, chemistry, maths or physics, chemistry, bio all put together, the entrance test of JEE main level or the NET level. This is the schedule of the full length test that we conduct at the end of the summer vacation. Okay. As you can see from here that there is a lot of emphasis given on the entrance test, because the admissions into engineering colleges or the medical colleges, admissions into these colleges is dependent only on the entrance exam marks. Does it mean that the board exam marks are not important? No, definitely the board exam marks are very important. We are having a subjective test on the board pattern. We come combination of 6 or 7 chapters per subject. But along with that, we feel that the end of chapter, when a chapter gets completed, उसी वक्त भी उसकी टेस्ट होनी चाहिए, subjective test on the board pattern. So for that what we are doing is, in your tablet that is given to you, you have 2 sets of subjective tests and these tests are locked. These tests get unlocked only by the teacher. So we have told the teachers that when they finish teaching a particular chapter, they will release this test. And once the test gets released on the tab, these 2 sets of papers, उस चैप्टर के 2 सेट पेपर्स हैं टैब में, वो दोनों टेस्ट आपको घर पे लिखने हैं. These are take home test and you solve that. The teacher will give you time duration, 2 दिन का समय या 3 दिन का समय देंगे. उसके बाद आपको जाके वो आंसर पेपर सबमिट करने हैं. Parents and students, I request you all, when you take this test at home, you do it very very seriously. आपको चैप्टर पढ़ना है अच्छे से. ऑफ कोर्स डेली बेसिस पे जब चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे थे, आप होमवर्क कर रहे थे, आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे, तो आपकी पढ़ाई ऑटोमेटिकली चैप्टर के पढ़ाते साथ ही हो गई थी. बट इवन देन व्हेन द चैप्टर गेट्स ओवर, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू रिवाइज द एंटायर चैप्टर एंड देन राइट डाउन दिस टेक होम टेस्ट and submit the papers on the day of submission. The teachers will go through the submissions and see whether you have solved the paper rightly or not. That is for your practice for the end of chapter test from the subjective यानी कि board exam point of view. Full length test तो हो ही रही है हर 2 महीने के बाद. मैं जो बात कर रहा था वो हर चैप्टर के एंड में आपके प्रैक्टिस की बात कर रहा था. Right? These are all take home tests. Now talking about the second phase, I said the पूरे साल का वर्किंग हमने 5 फेज में डिवाइड किया है. फर्स्ट फेज था समर फेज, सेकेंड फेज है रेगुलर फेज. रेगुलर फेज शुरू होता है फ्रॉम 17th of June. By this time the colleges start again from 17th June to 8th of October. These dates may vary slightly depending upon the dates of college semester examinations. By and large, college semesters will start after 8th of October. But if majority of the colleges have the exams before that, we will do some changes in these dates. Okay. And during this phase, there will be lectures 3 hours per day, either morning batch or evening batch, whichever batch the child belongs to. लेकिन रोज 3 घंटा क्लास होगी इस रेगुलर फेज में. And in this regular phase, approximately 35 to 40% portion of physics, chemistry, maths and bio, both board as well as entrance, gets covered. During this phase, the testing pattern will remain the same. What testing pattern is? Every alternate Sunday you have the entrance test. of JEE Main or NEET pattern, and after 2 months get over, there is a full length test, FLT, which will be subjective as well as objective. And along with that, there are take home tests. These are chapter wise subjective exams. So जो मैंने टेस्टिंग पैटर्न पहले बताया समर फेज का, वो सेम टेस्टिंग पैटर्न साल भर चलते रहेगा. ये था सेकेंड रेगुलर फेज. कमिंग टू द थर्ड फेज, द दिवाली फेज. So this Diwali phase starts from 15th of October to 5th of November. As I mentioned, the dates may vary, some changes depending upon college schedules, but by and large it's going to start from 15th of October to 5th of November. Now during Diwali phase, like the summer phase, you had 6 hours of class. Even in Diwali phase, there are daily 6 hours of lectures. And here, approximately 15% portion gets covered. So by the end of Diwali phase, almost 85 to 90% syllabus is already completed. Okay, that was the third phase. Coming to the fourth phase, the post-Diwali phase, which starts from 6th of November to first week of December. Now from 6th November to first week of December, the remaining portion, whatever 10-15% portions remaining, will get covered, and there will be 3 hours of lectures per day. And after the portion gets over in the post-Diwali phase, by latest by first week of December, we start with the prelims. Now when I say portion gets over by the first week of December, it is the boards and entrance combined, everything gets over. We don't leave any entrance part to be kept after the board exam. We finish the entrance portion also by the first week of December. And after that we start with the prelims. Now prelims are strictly as per the board pattern. In all, we'll be conducting 3 sets of prelims. As you can see in the schedule there, it starts from 24th of December, the first set of prelim, and goes on till 4th of Jan. And in this prelim, as you can see, along with physics, chemistry, maths and bio, we also conducting examinations of English, computer science or electronics and IT. That is the first prelim. The second prelim starts from 15th of Jan to 25th of Jan. Again, we're covering all the subjects. And the third and the last prelim is from 5th Feb till 15th of Feb. Now 3 times when they face the entire syllabus before the board examination, rather I would say along with the college prelims, they're writing 4 prelims. And that is quite sufficient for them to face the board examinations with a lot of confidence. That was the prelims phase in the post-Diwali working. The fifth and the last phase of working or functioning is the post-board exam phase. बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम हो जाने के बाद, बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम हो जाने के बाद से लेकर जेईई मेन एग्ज़ाम तक या एनईटी एग्ज़ाम तक, ये जो फेस है, ड्यूरिंग दिस फेस व्हाट वी डू इज, anyways the entire portion is taught to them. We also finish the entrance portion in the first week of December, as I mentioned. So what we do now is that we keep revision lectures, doubt solving lectures, we keep test, part test, full length test, and along with this test we keep paper discussion lectures. The detailed schedule will be made available to students moment the board exam gets over. So I'm not speaking about the post board phase in detail right now. In this phase, just keep in mind there's a lot of exams happening, revision lectures happening, and doubt solving sessions happening. So that was the functioning of the entire academic year, and I'm sure you all got a very good clarity on the way the entire year is placed. That's all from my side in this message. Thank you very much.